In the name of Allah, I am going to deliver English lecture for class 8th. Dear students, you know that we have recited the poem Poor and His Elephant completely and have explained its every sentence yesterday. And today I am going to do this exercise questions. That is first question of this exercise is, before I will do this exercise question, I go through the words glossary. ब्लाड एस्टोरी टोड इन वर्स, जिसको उर्दू में मसनवी कहते हैं. फो एनिमी दुश्मन, बैटल प्राइड मार्शल ग्लोरी, एक बहुत बड़ी कामयाबी. बैटल प्राइड मार्शल ग्लोरी इन स्टेट इन ए डिग्निफाइड मैनर. अनब्रोकन रैंक क्लोज ऑर्डर दैट इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर द एनिमी टू ब्रेक थ्रू. थ्रेट अटैक रेज एंगर बिटाइड टू हैपन. Gallant, brave, trumped of a large animal. Trumped means trumped. Trumped means of a large animal, especially an elephant. To produce a loud call. Foreman, the first or chief soldier in the army. Hold at bay, keep back. Pond, to breathe heavily. Legend, a story or set of stories from an ancient times. Ir, contracted form of ever. Now question number first is, how did the elephant save the life of Porus? I will write the answer of this question here on this whiteboard and you will write it on your notebooks neatly and cleanly. The horse, the Porus took him tenderly. The Porus, the elephant took his master tenderly on his back with his mightiest trunk. With his mightiest trunk, and put him in a place in such a place where he could rest and was away from any danger and dread. The elephant took his master tenderly on his back with his mightiest trunk and put him in such a place where he could rest and was away from any danger and dread. इस तरह से इस हाथी ने इसको अपने इस ट्रक के जरिए अपने कंधे पे उठाकर, अपने बैग पे उठाकर एक दूर जगह जहां पे इसके मास्टर ने आराम फरमाया, जब ये वांटेड पोजीशन में था, जख्मी हालत में था, तो हर खतर से, हर किसी नुकसान से उसको दूर रखा. And now the second question is, what does the poet means by if these dumb things that but cry and pant, they two can love, for God made them so. I will write the answer of this question here. Answer of question number second. The poet wants to say, the poet wants to say that these animals are dumb. These animals are dumb. They cannot talk like us humans. But they express their emotions. But they express their emotions by crying. I will rub here. I hope that you have written this first question. No, I will rub it. I hope that you have write it. You have write it on your, you have took it on your notebook. So I shall rub here and continue my second question. Express their emotions by crying and wanting. Wanting means taking a big breath. Wanting. We should love them. We should love them as God made them, as God had made them. God had made them like us. These are the two questions, answer of two questions. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is write the story told in poem in your own words, and this story I will write it tomorrow inshallah. And question number 4, I will do 4 questions, that is what is the rhyme scheme of the poem. I will write here this question 4 and third will do I tomorrow. I will write it because third is a big question and it will take 4 or 5 minutes to write on the notebook. So it will consume your 4 or 5 minutes before I will do this question number third. I will do fourth one because fourth one can consume minimum time. That is question 4 is what is the rhyme scheme of the poem. And I have already yesterday I have told you the rhyme scheme of the poem is the rhyme scheme of the poem is AB AB. I have already told you this verse number first. If I will repeat this poem, I will recall it. Here ye a tale of the days gone by. The first sentence is first verse. It matches with the third verse of first sentence. Third, that is, this is a tale that can never die. Why die? Similarly, secant alphant. Though this was the last question of this. Goodbye. Have a nice day.